This section I think is really important in the course, and it's important because not a lot of people think about this or record this. Why research family history? We'll look at why other people start to research and continue to research their family history, and you'll identify why you're researching or thinking of researching your family history. We'll also look at the records this course is based upon. Plus, we'll identify the key principles to remember throughout your family history research. These will be principles that will be important now and well into the future of your research. So, let's get going.